the day after 4th of July. Yes, I have on the shirt I put on last night after the pool. I feel extremely tired this morning. It was a late night between fireworks. The critter in the attic was still scratching even though they've been here. And then the internet, I don't know what's up with my internet. It goes out every night in the middle of the night, which would normally be fine if I was sleeping, but it shuts off my music that I have to sleep with on, otherwise I wake up. So, long night. Needless to say, I'm very tired, but today's plan is to do like a post-holiday undecorate and clean with me. So I'm probably going to move very slow at doing this, but for sure I want to wash the bed sheets, not only in my bed, but in the spare bed, seeing how I've been sleeping in there this week. So I think we're going to go strip those and get those into the wash, because I'm just going to wash them together. And then the other thing I want to do is undecorate for 4th of July. So probably going to gather up everything throughout the house. I'll bring it to the living room, put that all together in a bin and put that away, and then we'll take a break. And then I'll start cleaning once I wake up a little bit more. I almost forgot, I did make a list. So we're going to try and knock out this top section first, and then we'll come back to the rest later today. Almost forgot, I want to wash these. I'm going to put these in with the sheet so I can get them put away. Alright, I did throw all of the couch blankets and Riley's blanket into the wash, and the one dog bed cover from the office because that was dirty. I think what I've decided I'm going to do, I'm going to clean bathrooms first. I'm only going to show you the spare bathroom as I do it, but basically both are getting the same thing done. And then we're going to dust, so that way when I go to put bed sheets back on, there's no dust going back onto the sheets, or not dust, but dog hair. Probably take a little bit of a break, and then we'll start on the kitchen and maybe the dining room, taking care of like this stuff and resetting the table there. I'm kind of going to clean and set up the summer decor as I go, get that back out. And then the only thing that's left really is to vacuum the floors and the rugs, which I'm going to hold off on the rugs because I need to cut Riley's nails, and it just makes sense to do that first.
Hold me close, it's alright. Baby, I feel
guess I should mention the lemon dishes that I had originally planned to put out for summer. When I opened the box all the way and started taking them out, I realized the what do you call it? The bowls and the pasta bowls, they had cracks in them. So that ended up going back to Walmart. And I just figured because of everything that was going on money-wise, there was no point in exchanging it for another one. So that's why we're gonna use the other summer dishes I got from Target. This isn't yellow, it's kind of a greenish, but I think that works just fine. I've taken a break. I had lunch. I just finished the dusting up, and we're gonna go ahead and take care of the kitchen counters. The dryer's about to shut off, and then I can put couch blankets back on, but I want to finish up the kitchen. And then the only thing that's left is vacuuming, which we'll do whenever I get to it because I need to cut the dog's nails. I didn't show you this, but I found this at Target one day when I was in there and it was on sale. So I got this to go with the coffee maker. So this is where we're at. I really love this mug. It's so cute. So back to summer decor. And then over here we got that, I don't know, I should pull it forward maybe. That's a little better. So everything's cleaned. Like I said, the only thing that should be left now is the vacuuming of the wood floors, which I'm charging that vacuum now, and then the rugs, and I'm waiting on that until after Riley's nails have been cut, which I'll do later today. right, you guys, I just realized I didn't put out these glasses and I haven't used them, but that really adds an element of elegance to this table. I am so thrilled with this. This is really cute, better than I had seen in my head. Well, I'm gonna take the doggy outside and then we're gonna get his nails trimmed so I can vacuum the rugs. I think I've decided I'm not gonna do the rest of the floors and save that for Monday because I'm cleaning so much earlier than I normally do in the week, and I don't want to have to do it again before the work week. As you can see, now the floor is really dirty with all of his nail clippings. But Riley's nails are trimmed. Are you happy? You got tweets? We're gonna go ahead and vacuum. I'm just, like I said, gonna do the rugs. Probably go do my bedroom. I'm not gonna film that, and then I'll come back and we'll do in here. Now that is where I'm gonna leave you. The carpets have been done. The only thing left to do is the wood floors and then the bathroom rugs, which I'll do with the smaller vacuum once that's charged. But like I said, I'll probably wait till Monday because this is Saturday and I don't normally clean this early. But it feels good to have a very clean home and all the 4th of July decor gone, and switch back to summer. Even though I'm exhausted, I'm very thankful I got all this done. But I do hope you enjoyed coming along while I cleaned and redecorated for summer. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.